Hello guys, my name is Keanu Freitas and I'm here to talk to you about my experience through the mobile user experience class that I took this month. So the first week we went through app definition statements and user personas. We also went through an app and a SWOT analysis, which stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. We had to go and find two applications that was related to the topic of the Winter Park Times application that we had to create. We did talk about the 10 elements to user experience, and that is functionality, content, design, information architecture, usability, user input, trustworthiness, context, help and feedback, and social. Also, in the beginning of the week, Scott, our professor, gave us a goal, and that was to download 1 to 2 apps every week, try and test them out and see, what I like and what I don't like through the design and the user experience and my personal experience and opinions on the applications. And then the second week, we got to watch the Apple Design Awards, and we had to choose one application that we thought had the best design or user experience and deserved the award. We then went through user stories and user experience improvements. And when creating the user stories that we designed for error, what they need and what they want, the differences, definition statement, quick, and what and why, description of intended audience, who, and the core functionality, crazy ideas for the app, and the feature set and nice to haves. So these are things that we had to add into the user stories. And in week 3, we went through what is quality, what the actual and true definition of quality is, and what it meant to us as designers and as developers. And then we went through the usability study, which is creating tests and preparing for tests. And then in the 4th week, we created the storyboards for our Winter Park Times application. And this is where we actually are creating a few features that were given to us, and we have to actually design it. We did learn about the HIG, which is the Human Interface Guidelines that Apple has created for us. One thing that I would recommend to the students that are coming in next month, during the user experience improvements, we were given an application and we had to actually go in and spot all the problems. I didn't remember to actually reference the HIG, which is the Human Interface Guidelines, and use that to find out what the issues were in the application. And in one of our classes during week 3, we also got to test a couple of final applications for the final projects of other students that are in the mobile development program. So we were able to give them feedback on our experience through using their application and how they can make it better, and prepare them for their last week or 2 before they actually have their final presentation. I feel like that was a great experience for us to actually get hands-on. The persona part was great. I enjoyed making the personas. So this class was great. I enjoyed my learning experience with Scott, and I hope that the students that come into this class next month will also enjoy it as much as I did. Thank you.